Hi, how are you doing today? Welcome to another video. On today's video, we're going to be working on the sound ear. These are my ears. This sound is a special one because it is a sound that gave us most of the 4-letter words we have today. So without wasting much of our time, let's do this alphabetically as usual. So the very first one, we have the B. We're not going to be using the A actually, remember, we're not working with the vowels, we're working basically on the consonants. So the first one, the first letter is going to be B, and we have beer. We move to C, we have sie, sie, sie. And we move to D, we have dear, dear. To F, we have fear. This is fear. We move to G, we have gear, gear. And to H, we have here. Beer, dear, fear, gear, here. You can see from this that the only exception right here, that is not a meaningful word, is this. All right? So how many words have we now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 meaningful words out of 6. Isn't that amazing of this word? Okay, so let's move on. This is H. The next one is J. Don't forget, we are not working with the vowels, we only work on the consonants. So we have J, and after J we have K, we have L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, this is W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so let's pronounce the words we have on the board. This is the ear sound. So alphabetically we have bier, sier, dier, fier, gear, here, dier, kier, lier, mier, nier, pier, huer, ruer, sier, tier, vier, weir, zier, year, zier. So from this, we have how many words? I have weir, 1, year, 2, tier, 3, bier, 4, dear, 5, fier, 6, gear, 7, here, 8, near, 9, pier, 10, rear, 11. 11 over 21. What do you think about that? I think that's amazing. Okay, so we have bier, sier, dier, fier, gear, here, dier, kier, rear, mier, nier, pier, huer, ruer, sier, tier, vier, weir, zier, year, zier. Bier, sier, dier, fier, gear, here, dier, kier, rear, mier, nier, pier, huer, ruer, sier, tier, vier, weir, zier, year, zier. Okay, so even if you have not learned anything in this lesson, you have not learned anything from this channel, today I want you to at least know these 4-letter words. Okay, if you don't know how to pronounce any of these, remember ear, okay? With the ear, you can add B, it becomes beer, C, seer, D, dear, F, fear, G, gear, H, here, J, jar, K, care, L, lear, M, mere, N, near, P, peer, Q, this is Q, Q sound of queer, the R, rear, S, seer, T, tear, V, dear, W, wear, X, seer, year, this is Y, year, and Z, Z. Master the ear sound. All right, keep adding your letters and keep pronouncing it. Trust me, you're going to come out with the right pronunciation. If you're here to learn anything from this channel, make sure to try this out. This is the ear sound. As we know, everyone knows the ear. This is the ear, in case you don't know the ears, okay? So if you use this ear, you add all the 21 consonants of English language and pronounce them. Definitely you're going to learn how to pronounce this. So you're going to cut it short for today's lesson. Don't forget, if you're seeing me for the first time and you like what we do here, you can join this family simply by subscribing. And if you're my returning subscriber, keep being amazing. Don't forget to stay safe. See you soon on our next class, and bye for now.